Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the safe and proper way to flush your Yamaha after you use it, and especially after saltwater use. The first thing you need to do on this model, which is a 2022 Jet Blaster, is to remove the seat, the fire extinguisher tray, and the underseat storage box. If you have a different model than this one, you need to look for this flush port fitting in your ski. It is typically at the left rear of the engine bay. Next, attach your Yamaha flush port adapter with garden hose quick disconnect and water shutoff valve built in, like mine shown here. Don't turn the water on full blast. Anywhere from half on to 3/4 water pressure is plenty. It is a very good idea to test your on-off water valve and clear your hose of contamination before hooking up to the ski. Next, hook your hose up to the quick disconnect on the flush adapter and be sure your shutoff valve is completely turned off. Now it's time to start your ski. Install your lanyard, start the engine, be sure the engine is running smooth and idling fine, and turn the water supply on within 15 to 18 seconds. If you are running your ski long enough for the overheat alarm to go off, or the exhaust is too hot to touch, then you have run it too long without water. In order to verify proper circulation, you should see water coming out the exhaust port, the pump nozzle, and out the pilot hole on the side of the ski. Some skis have multiple pilot holes. After you have flushed your ski, you need to turn the water off first. Then it is a good idea to rev the engine once or twice to clear the water box of excess water. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and do so. I have a lot more videos to come. Once you have cleared the water box, you should turn the engine off immediately after. That's pretty much it, guys. Now you can disconnect the garden hose and remove the flush adapter from the ski. If you are flushing your ski after saltwater use, you would also be using a product like Saltaway inline on your garden hose. Once you are done, don't forget to reinstall the flush port access cap. Here is a closer look at the setup I use for flushing Yamaha skis and the two types of flush adapters used for Yamahas. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my description for more info about this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.